Prudent. First, a look at the headlines. Scheme of only 6 subsidized gas cylinders a year per family enforced in Goa. Only 3 more subsidized cylinders till March 2013. Rest at 911 rupees per cylinder. For mining halt in state, demands financial package from centre for mining dependent people through MPs. Karnataka's argument before Madhai Tribunal says diversion of Madhai water will solve water problem in Karnataka. Water just for drinking hearing before tribunal on October 16. Minor raped in Madgaon, 2 accused arrested. Maina Kurturi police arrested accused Lotli brutal murder case. An Indian football can be played a lot faster under floodlights, says India international footballer Clifford Miranda, not looking to retire soon, says 30-year-old. And now the news in detail. The scheme of only 6 subsidized gas cylinders a year per family has been enforced in Goa. Now Goikas will get only 3 cylinders at subsidized rate till March 2013, and if they need more, they have to purchase at market rate, that is almost 911 rupees per cylinder. Moreover, this price will fluctuate as per the international market rates. Goa branch of All India LPG Distributors Association announced this decision on Monday.
14 सप्टेंबर नंतर 31 मार्च 2013 ह्या कालावधी खातीर लोकांक 3 डोमेस्टिक सिलिंडर रिफिल्स सबसिडाइज्ड रेटान दिवपाच्यो ह्यो आसतल्यो पयल्यो 3 रिफिल्स आनी ताज्या 3 रिफिल्स नंतर तांकां जाय तितल्यो रिफिल्स मेळटल्यो बी पूण त्यो त्या दिसाच्या बाजार भावान तांणी घेवच्यो पडटल्यो. आयचे तारखेन डोमेस्टीक सबसिडायज सिलिंडराचो रेट आसा 418 रुपया गोंया खातीर. तशेंच ज्या मनशान हे 3 आपले सबसिडायज सिलिंडर घेवन जर सोंपयले आनी ताका जर चवथी रिफील जाय जाल्यार ताका आज गोंयान डोमेस्टीक नॉन सबसिडायज सिलिंडर घेवचो पडटलो. ताजो दर आयचे तारखेन जावन आसा 911 रुपया. दर म्हयन्याचे 1 तारखेक पेट्रोलियम कंपन्यो इंटरनॅशनल ऑयल प्रायसिसाचे स्टडी करून हो रेट्स डिक्लेअर करतली. हो रेट फुडल्या म्हयन्यान चडूय जावंक शकता किंवा कमी जावंक शकता, डिपेंड्स ऑन इंटरनॅशनल प्राइस.
A common family needs almost 10 to 12 LPG cylinders per year. Now the number of subsidized cylinders is limited to 6. The market rates for the rest of procured cylinders will fluctuate as per international market rate. Goa government has declared a scheme to provide 6 more cylinders per family on subsidy, but the scheme is yet to be on paper. Moreover, the benefit of local subsidy will be limited to families having annual income limit of 3 lakhs, not for all Goenkars. Our reporter from Murgaon, Surendra Madkekar.
After banning mining in state, Goa Pradesh Congress Committee has hit at the CM Manohar Parrikar for mining halt. Party has demanded financial package from mining dependent people through Congress MPs. On Monday, Pradesh Congress Committee meeting was held to discuss the mining sector crisis. GPCC has demanded immediate resumption of mining in Goa.
अशें म्हणून की मायनिंगाचो पुराय विषय फाटल्या 1.5 वर्साक फक्त आणि फक्त बीजेपी पक्षान आणि श्री पर्रीकरान हो विषय खूप मोठो गाजो वाजो करून न्ही फक्त गोंयभर तर जगभर पाविल्लो. ह्या दुष्परिणामाक पूर्णता जबाबदार बीजेपी सरकार आणि बीजेपीचो पक्ष. ह्या विशयाचो जाता तितले बेगीन सुटावो जावपाक जाय अशा प्रकारचा ठराव काँग्रेस पार्टीने मान्य केलेला असा. त्याचबरोबर हे आता गोंगडे कितले ते बरोबर सांगू शकना. 2 महिन्या भितर सुटाव जालो एक रिलीफ गोंयकारांक मेळटले. 6 महिन्या भितर सुटाव जालो गोंयकारांक रिलीफ मेळटले. पूण काँग्रेस पक्षाचे मत आसा आमच्या लोकल युनिटीचे गोवा प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटीचे की केंद्र सरकारा कडेन आतांच मागणी करची की आमकां कितेंय पॅकेज दिवची जेणे करून ही पॅकेज मेळून बारीक कुटुंबाक आधार मेळचो. हो विशय आमी आमचे खासदार बाबशी शांताराम नायक आमचे खासदार श्री फ्रांसीस सार्दिनो हांचे मार्फतय आमी व्हरतले. गरज पडली जर जायत एक शिष्टमंडळ बी आमी पार्टी लेवलाचेर व्हरपाक तयार आसा जाल्यार व्हरतले.
Sinister plan to take money from central government in the name of mines and divert it for other schemes where the government does not have any money in the coffers. That is the game plan.
A reporter from Panji, Mahesh Gadi, with video journalist Onkar Falari.
Karnataka has vehemently argued that if Madhe water is diverted, then it would solve drinking water problem in areas of Karnataka. Karnataka has made this point in an affidavit before the Madhe tribunal. As Karnataka government delayed its reply to Goa's plea, now Goa government has got the time for a rejoinder before the tribunal. The hearing on interim application filed by Goa government opposing project at Kalsa Bandura is scheduled on 16th October.
The hearing on interim application filed by the Goa government opposing work at Kalsa Bandura by the Karnataka government was supposed to be held on Monday. However, the hearing has been adjourned as the Karnataka government failed to reply within given time. Council for Goa government has just received the reply copy from the Karnataka government. Karnataka government in its affidavit has mentioned that if the water is diverted, then it would solve drinking water need of the people in some parts of Karnataka. This is the only reason why Karnataka needs Madhe water. 3-member tribunal headed by Justice J.M. Panchal is hearing the case. Karnataka is all set to complete the project of diverting Madhe water into Malprabha Basin by January 2013. Meanwhile, some of the environmentalists and experts from Goa will inspect the ongoing work at Kankumbi Madhe project on Tuesday. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.